Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Show my fans on the TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, CS Galaxy 1. I'm joined by Mr. Mandela.
Njani baba?
Siyaphila.
Siphila kakuhle.
Inkinga ya Chiefs yini?
Eish. Uyabona le coach le? Hayi ayikho kahle ma.
The coach.
Hayi.
The coach.
Wazi kusasa ngiye kufeni le.
Yeah.
Lokufaka khona ngikwazi.
Sharp.
But just because of I want to cry, I'm supposed to go there.
You'll go to a funeral.
Yeah, just to cry.
Ukhala.
Yeah.
Noma kungashonwanga.
No, bashonile. Angilazi lokufa lo. But ngiyayi kusasa.
I-Chiefs ashonile.
Eish. Angazi ngithini Sithiba.
Is Kaizer Chiefs dead?
Ufuna ngikhale manje?
Khala futhi.
Ngiyabonga Sithiba, ngifuna ukukhala phambi kwebani. Ngiyabonga Sithiba.
But bayenzeni ngalo coach?
Akahambe.
Akabuyela Tunis.
Akahambe.
Ahambe.
Akahambe.
Yes.
Ka Sepedi ba re ntopala ya leso akahambe.
Atsamaya.
Atsamaye hayi.
Atsamaya ka sani.
Ibile ke Sala Mandela ke change. Nna Zuma.
Zuma.
Yeah.
President Jacob
Yeah.
Zuma. Bayetseng ka coach.
A wise man always changes his mind. Akahambe.
Once and for all.
Ke a leboga Steve.
Man of the match.
Eish. Right Steve again.
Limart.
Okay, ngiyabonga Steve ngiyabonga ngiyahamba ngifuna ukufeni ngokhona ukukhala uzokhona ukukhala moya moya phansi kahle.
Askisi puti.
Eish.
Eish. Kudalo.